Stanford University, 1971. A psychologist named Philip Zimbardo wanted to answer one question. Are people naturally good? Or does their environment make them evil? He built a fake prison in the basement of Stanford University. He hired 24 ordinary men, healthy, psychologically stable, normal people. He randomly assigned half as guards, half as prisoners. Nobody was trained. Nobody was briefed on how to behave. They were simply put in roles. And then Zimbardo watched what happened. The first day was calm. Guards were uncertain. Prisoners were cooperative. Everyone knew it was fake. Everyone knew they could leave. It felt like a game. But day 2, the prisoners rebelled. They blocked their cell doors. They tore off their ID numbers. They refused to follow orders. The guards felt threatened. Their response was immediate. They used fire extinguishers on the prisoners. They stripped them naked. They put bags over their heads. They forced them to sleep on bare concrete. They took away their mattresses as punishment. This was day 2 of a 2-week experiment. By day 3, prisoners were having complete psychological breakdowns. One prisoner began screaming uncontrollably. He could not stop crying. He developed a full-body rash from stress. Zimbardo had to release him early. But here is what makes this truly disturbing. Zimbardo himself forgot he was a researcher. He started thinking like a prison warden. He was proud of how his prison was running. He was monitoring security, not conducting science. The experiment had consumed him too. By day 5, guards were conducting humiliating rituals at 2 a.m. when they thought nobody was watching, forcing prisoners to clean toilets with bare hands, making them do degrading physical acts for entertainment. One guard later described feeling genuine pleasure from the power. These were ordinary university students 6 days earlier.
A graduate student named Christina Maslach visited the prison on day 6. She saw prisoners being marched with bags over their heads. She was horrified. She told Zimbardo he had to stop. He ended the experiment on day 6, 2 weeks early. Because what was happening inside that basement was no longer an experiment. It was real.
The Stanford prison experiment did not prove that humans are naturally evil. It proved something far more disturbing. Give an ordinary person a costume and a title. Give them power over another human being. Remove all accountability, and they will become capable of things they would never have imagined possible 6 days earlier. The evil was not inside the people. It was inside the situation, and the situation is everywhere.